Basically, I make custom systems like CRM systems and different type of things for different companies. And yeah, done different odds and ends. Working with a company right now, building them a CRM system, which is kind of more like a sales management system, really, um,
Hmm.
and basically handles sales agreements and so forth. And I had dealt with DocuSign in the past with something, but it was quite convoluted. I didn't really like their whole setup, and it was quite confusing and quite expensive. And I
Hmm.
would like to be able to offer basically a turnkey product to my customers where they're not getting a bill from DocuSign and a bill from Google and a bill from AWS and a bill, for all these different things, right? So I like to be able to this is the set price per month, and it's all included, right? Um, which obviously means now for me, if it's $1 per envelope or whatever for signing, I don't really want to put a whole lot of e-signature stuff in there,
Yeah.
um, because that's all coming off of my bottom line. Whereas if it's a few cents, then it's something where it doesn't matter, and it saves me having to develop a whole system
Yep.
to do it. Right? It's like what you've got looks great. So I was using Claude Code extensively, um, and for this whole project actually, um, and the way you guys have the sort of the whole LLM sheet, where basically the LLM can pull like a megabyte worth of text data of how it all works. Um, it integrated that very well. I mean, there was obviously some twin C, but I like the embeddability
Hmm.
because basically, so that in this scenario, it will be used for uh, basically sales reps that be on the road. They can be so their market is farmers.
Hmm.
Um, so they could be, sitting with a guy, or want to do a demo with the guy, and they need to sign off on it. They can just pull up their phone and say, "Hey, can you sign here?" Uh, have it right there rather than waiting for emails back bouncing forth. And just yesterday, emailed some of the developers at a company that I had done some work with previously. I said, "Hey, we had done this project where I'd integrated DocuSign. If you guys are revamping any of that, you might want to look at Firma because
Nice.
it's
Thank you.
it works better." So yeah, same
And anything surprise you about working with Firma?
still a
Hmm.
fairly recent product. And I mean, you've got a great business concept here. I mean, obviously it's um, very low cost per unit, but
Hmm.
getting embedded into other solutions,
Hmm.
right? Because it's sort of like I'm not going to want to go and change this 6 months from now to some other provider.